What is the importance of tropical rainforests? Rainforests help to keep the Earth's climate steady. Carbon dioxide is a major contributor to the climate change. Rainforests help reduce the effects of worldwide climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. In addition, they are also an important home to about half of the species of plants and wildlife on the planet. Many of the species found in rainforests are endangered and can only survive in rainforests. Rainforests help maintain the water cycle by producing large amounts of rainfall every year. Water produced in rainforests makes its way all over the world. As rainforests decrease in size, Earth's water cycle is affected, leading to droughts in different areas around the world. How do the abiotic factors relate to the living organisms in the tropical rainforest? The abiotic factors in this rainforest biome are the amount of water and sunlight, climate, weather, and precipitation. All these factors affect the trees and animals that live there. They are very important because without the right amount of water and sunlight, the trees in the rainforest would not be able to grow and would die. These factors also affect the types of plants and animals that can live in this area. A good example is that a lot of small bushes and shrubs will not be able to live here because all of the tall trees will block most of the sunlight, causing a lack of sunlight to the bushes and shrubs below them, which will cause the shrubs and bushes to die. What is the pattern of temperature and precipitation in the tropical rainforest? The tropical rainforest biome has a very warm and wet climate. It has an average temperature of 20 to 34 degrees Celsius. This biome is located very close to the equator, which is the reason why it has very small seasonal change in temperature during the day. It has a lot of direct sunlight hitting the land and the sea than most other areas. The sun warms the land and the sea, and the water evaporates into the air. The warm air can hold a lot of water vapor. As this warm air rises to meet the cooler air above the Earth's surface, condensation takes place as the air is cooled down. From this condensation, clouds are formed and eventually produce rain. The tropical rainforest biome has an annual rainfall or precipitation of more than 250 centimeters, and it has an average humidity between 77 and 88%. It rains more than 90 days a year in the rainforest. In between these rainstorms, the warm sun usually heats up the earth. What plants and animals are found in the rainforest? There is a large variation of animals in the rainforest. The ones that I'm going to mention are the ones that are the most common of all. The mammals are the anteater, the howler monkey, the jaguar, tapir, chimpanzee, gorilla, sloth, African forest elephant, and the Bengal tiger. For the birds are the harpy eagle, macaw, hummingbird, toucan, and the king vulture. For the amphibians are the poison arrow frog, the cocky, the tree frog, the golden toad, and the red-eyed tree frog. For the reptiles are the boa constrictor, the anaconda, the iguana, king cobra, chameleon, Komodo dragon, and many more. For the insects are the army ant, leafcutter ant, morpho butterfly, scorpion, tarantula, and the praying mantis. Finally, for the fish are the piranha and the electric eel. The plants in the rainforest are the Bengal bamboo, the bougainvillea, the coconut tree, the durian, the jambu, kapok tree, mangrove forest, strangler figs, and tualan. Where is the tropical forest found in Mexico? Today's Mexico's rainforests are limited to southern and eastern Mexico along the Gulf of Mexico and the state of Chiapas. What are the pollutants involved in the tropical forest? Forests around the world are affected by air and water pollution produced from industrial and commercial activities. These pollutants endanger species. Some of the most critically endangered species are the orangutan, tiger, macaw, spider monkey, golden frog, sloth, and gorilla.